Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to create a SharePoint Excel sheet step by step. I'll be doing this in a web browser on SharePoint Online. First, open your SharePoint site in a browser and navigate to the document library where you want to create the Excel file. On most sites, you'll see a link called Documents in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on that. If your library has a custom name instead of Documents, look for that instead. Once the document library page loads, you'll see any existing files and folders along with a toolbar at the top. Now, look for the button that says Plus New at the top of that toolbar. It's usually on the left side. Click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with options for creating new folders, Word documents, Excel workbooks, and more. From that drop-down, select Excel Workbook. When you click it, a new browser tab will open with a blank Excel spreadsheet. The file will have a generic name, like book.xlsx at this point. SharePoint doesn't ask for a name right away. It opens the file first so you can start working. Look at the very top of the Excel for the web window. You'll see the file name displayed there. Click directly on that file name to make it editable. Type in a more descriptive name for your spreadsheet. As soon as you're done typing, the new name saves automatically. You don't need to hit enter or click a save button. That's it. Your Excel file is now created and saved in your SharePoint document library. You can start editing the spreadsheet right away. One handy thing to know is that the file auto-saves as you work, so you don't need to worry about manually saving every few minutes. If other people on your team have access to the same SharePoint library, they can open the file at the same time and you can all edit together in real time. When you're done working, just close the Excel tab or click your SharePoint site name in the breadcrumb at the top to go back to the document library. Quick heads up, depending on your SharePoint version, the plus new button might appear in a slightly different spot or be labeled Create or Upload instead. The workflow stays the same. Just look for the Creation button at the top of your library. And that's how to create a SharePoint Excel sheet. Thanks for watching.